In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Asana rules in just 5 minutes. Let's get started by opening up your web browser and navigating to the Asana website. Once you're there, you'll see the login screen. Enter your email address into the appropriate field. After you've done that, click on the Continue button. This will prompt you to enter your password. Once entered, click on Login. After logging in, you'll land on your Asana homepage. Here you'll have access to all your projects and tasks. To start creating rules, you first need to select a project. Look for the project you want to work with and click to open it. Once you're inside your project, you'll see a variety of options to work with. Find the Customize button, usually located at the top right corner of your project's interface, and click on it. In the customization menu, you'll see an option to add rules. Click on the Add button to begin creating your own rules. You'll be presented with several options. Choose Rule to proceed. Now you'll be able to create a custom rule tailored to your workflow in this project. Start by defining the trigger for your rule. A trigger is an event that initiates the rule you're creating. It acts like the starting whistle in a game, signaling that it's time to begin an automated process. Next, determine the condition of your rule. The condition sets specific criteria for the rule. Picture this as a checkpoint that must be passed for the rule to move forward. It's like saying, if this happens, then do that. Ensuring your workflow only acts under particular circumstances. After setting the condition, you'll define the action. This is what happens once both the trigger and conditions are satisfied. Think of it as the virtual chore to be completed, automatically organizing and streamlining your task management without you having to lift a finger. Once you're satisfied with your custom rule setup, review everything to ensure it's set up correctly. Double checking helps prevent potential mishaps or adjustments later. When you're confident it's ready to go, click on Publish Rule to activate it. Your newly created rule will now automatically manage tasks according to the specifications you've set. That's it, you're done. You've successfully created a rule in Asana to help automate and streamline your project management tasks. Use this feature to eliminate repetitive tasks and focus on what truly matters. Completing your projects efficiently, be sure to explore different combinations of triggers, conditions and actions to fully utilize Asana's powerful automation capabilities and make project management a breeze. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you manage your workflows more effectively.